I knew I wanted to do science since middle school. I knew I was going to major in science, but I didn't know I was going to do research until I actually got into a lab, and that really sparked my interest to ask why. Why is this? What disease? It didn't matter what. I just knew I loved to be doing research. My lab has been interested in understanding the role of a protein in cardiovascular and cerebrovascular disease. And so my lab is very interested in how that protein of interest is altered with aging and injury. And so we look at it both in the heart and the brain, so the heart-brain connection. And so we're very interested in how we can treat cardiovascular diseases that happen under stress or under aging conditions. We're hoping that our protein of interest can be used as a target as a way to treat cardiovascular disease in the future. The American Heart Association has been really impactful in my career. As a basic cardiovascular scientist, being part of the American Heart Association has opened doors both in leadership roles, mentorship roles, and sponsorship roles that I can't live without.
I grew up in rural Mexico where people didn't have a lot of answers, sometimes when dealing with health issues, they didn't have a lot of treatment options. This reality really caused a lasting impression on me. It really made me start questioning the why into each disease, the treatment options, why did these things happen, and therefore I decided that I wanted to contribute in some sort of way. Thank you to the American Heart Association and their program, SURE, the Supporting Undergraduate Research Experiences program. I was able to get hands-on research experience in a angiogenesis and brain development lab. I absolutely love my experience. It allowed me to develop my communication skills, also improve my scientific thinking and communication, as well as be able to continue getting exposure to such fascinating field.
The American Heart Association is a big supporter of young investigators, and without the support of the American Heart Association, many of my colleagues, as well as myself, would not be here today. And without the funding that I've recently got, that has allowed my lab to continue to train the next generation of scientists.